Good morning, children. Children, we have finished our chapter 7, Food, Our Basic Need. So today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 8, Clothes, Our Protection. Okay, children, you know that living beings or human beings especially need food, water and shelter to live. But along with these things, human beings also need clothes. Why? Because clothes are very necessary for protection purpose. Okay, for example, we prefer to wear woolen clothes in winter so that we can protect ourselves from the cold. Okay, and in summer we prefer to wear cotton clothes. So in this way, clothes are one of the necessary things that we need to live. Clear, children? So children, in this chapter we are going to learn about the purpose of clothes, that is why do we need clothes, materials used in clothes, types of fibers and taking care of clothes. And children, do you know that early humans covered themselves with animal hides and bark of trees? Hides means animal's skin. Means they used to cover themselves with animal skin. Okay. Then over time they learnt to weave. Now, what do you mean by weave? Weave means make fabric by interlacing two sets of fibers, as you can see over here in this image. Okay. That means, children, that thread is woven into long sheets of cloth on loom machines. This is called weaving. Okay? And that time clothes were not stitched and was simply draped over the body. But later on, human beings learned to weave and stitch clothes. And clothes were dried and made more fitted with laces, buttons, etc. So, this is the short content about the evolution of clothes. Okay, children? Now, children, the question is, why do we need clothes? Okay, the basic purpose of cloth is protection. Okay, so clothes protect us from different types of weather. Like clothes protect us from cold, heat, dust, rain and from the insects also. Okay, and people around the world wear different kinds of clothes depending on the weather. Okay, depending on the climate of their place. Like for example, people of Kashmir prefer woolen clothes. Okay, so that they can protect themselves from the cold weather, harsh cold weather. Okay, and in summer, we prefer cotton clothes because cotton clothes are cool and comfortable to wear in summer season. Clear, children? And children, people also wear clothes to look good. According to the latest fashion, the style of clothes keeps on changing. Clear, children? Now, our clothes should be always comfortable. Like we wear loose, comfortable clothes at home. And we wear another set when we go to bed at night. Such clothes such as loose t-shirts and pajamas are usually worn. Okay. Now, our clothes should be suited to weather conditions. This is the very important point. Okay. Our clothes should be suited to weather conditions. For example, we wear a raincoat over our clothes to protect us from the rain. Okay. We don't prefer to wear woolen clothes such as jackets during rainy season. Isn't it, children? Okay. And our clothes should be suited to the type of work we do. Okay? They should also make us to look good and smart. Children, sometimes the clothes which people wear tells us about the work they do. Okay, for example, people working in banks and offices wear light colored clothes. And people working in police, army, navy, air force and hospitals wear different uniforms. Okay. By seeing his uniform, you can identify whether this person belongs to army, navy or air force. Clear, children? Now, children also wear uniforms to school. Okay? People working in fields use short clothes. Why? Because long clothes will get wet in the rice fields. Okay, so they prefer to wear short clothes. And these clothes reach only up to their knees. Clear, children? So this was all about the clothes, brief summary about clothes. I hope you understood that why clothes are necessary. Why do we need clothes? Okay, children?